Hi there, little explorers. Jump, jump, jump. How are you today? Are you ready to learn some fun action words? Let's go on an adventure and discover what everyone is doing. Look over here. Can you see this dog? What do you think the dog is doing? Yes, the dog is running. Woohoo! Can you say running? Great job. Oh, look at this hungry monkey. What is the monkey doing? He's peeling the banana. Now he's eating it. Yum, yum. Monkeys love bananas. Do you like bananas too? Shh, look at this cute cat. What is the cat doing? Yes, she's sleeping. Isn't she adorable? Her eyes are closed and she's so cozy. Can you pretend to sleep like the cat? Nighty-night. Now look at this boy. What is he doing? Yes, he's playing with his toys. He's joining his blocks together. Can you build something with your toys too? Great job. Splash! What are these kids doing? Yes, they're swimming in the pool. Swimming is so much fun. Do you like to swim? Look at these boys and girls. What are they doing? Yes, they're clapping their hands. Clap, clap, clap. Can you clap along with them? Wonderful. Tweet, tweet. Look at this tiny little sparrow. What is she doing? Yes, she's singing. Her voice is so sweet and melodious. Can you sing like the sparrow? La la la. Now look at this girl. What is she doing? Yes, she's drinking a glass of water. Are you thirsty? Let's take a sip of water too. Stay hydrated, little explorers. Vroom, vroom. Look at this man. What is he doing? Yes, he's driving a car. Does your dad or mom drive a car too? Driving is so cool. Now it's your turn. What is the dog doing? Yes, the dog is running. Great. What is the bird doing? Yes, the bird is singing. You're doing an amazing job, little explorers. Wow, you learned so many action words today. Give yourself a big clap. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Little Explorers for more fun adventures.